Cole from Regal Metal Works. Hey, I'm back with a new line, a new product line called the Mantis. It is a third arm stabilizer. And we got the Magnum, which is the big guy. We got the Mega, which is the size that you're going to use 99% of the time. And we have the Mini. The Mini stabilizes up to 9 inches. The Mega stabilizes up to 14 inches. And the Monster Magnum will stabilize up to 21 inches. These are made out of 3/16 inch steel. The Magnum is made out of 1/4 inch plate steel. These are serious tools that allow you to do serious work. You can actually stabilize pretty much anything you can think of, round, square, triangle, doesn't matter. You're going to be able to stabilize it. We incorporated these back serrated edges. That actually works great for getting underneath something to stabilize it. Like if you have a round tubing, you're doing exhaust work and it's an odd shape and you need to get underneath it. That's why we got that nice arch there. We got a nice arch underneath where it gives you plenty of clearance when you're up. You can see right here, I mean, it's got a good bit of room here. You got plenty of room, so you could be working in the middle of a very large object. So I hope you get to check this out and take it from our website. Yay!
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Macy's going